very exciting day and a very, very productive and exciting evening. Over 700 guests of ours have come over. What we expect from this evening is definitely relations to get stronger, some business to come in, but most important, the brand to be known across India.
Great opportunity to interact with all hotels under one roof. Mosaic was a great platform for entrepreneurs like us to come together, meet each other.
Leg of the Leela Mosaic, this time after Chennai, Bangalore, New Delhi and now here in Gurgaon.